Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best HP OfficeJet Pro 8720 review products that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the compatible 952 XL ink cartridge replacement from Rohan. This budget-friendly option offers a complete 4-pack with black, cyan, yellow, and magenta cartridges, making it an affordable choice for those who need reliable ink without breaking the bank. Designed to deliver up to 1,600 pages per cartridge, this high-yield set provides decent longevity for everyday printing tasks. The design is straightforward, with cartridges that are ready to use right out of the box. The ink formula ensures consistent quality, although it may not match the sharpness of OEM cartridges, especially for high-detail prints. One standout feature is its universal compatibility with a wide range of HP OfficeJet Pro printers, including models like the 8720 and 8730. However, there are some trade-offs to consider. While the price is unbeatable, customer reviews suggest occasional clogging issues and a slightly lower print quality compared to premium options. If you're looking for an inexpensive solution for casual printing, this is a great pick, but it may not be ideal for professional or heavy-duty applications. At number 4, we have the compatible ink cartridges replacement for HP 952 XL from Smart Ink. This mid-range option offers a 4-pack with black, cyan, magenta, and yellow cartridges, providing page yields of up to 2,000 pages for black and 1,600 pages for color. One of its standout features is its anti-clog ink formula, which ensures smooth and consistent printing while reducing the risk of printhead clogs. Smart Ink's cartridges are equipped with the latest chip technology, making them fully compatible with printers running the most recent firmware updates. The build quality feels robust, and the packaging ensures the product arrives in perfect condition. Additionally, their 24/7 customer support is a welcome advantage for troubleshooting or assistance. While performance is solid, some users report that print quality isn't quite on par with OEM cartridges, especially for professional-grade documents or vivid graphics. Another minor drawback is the need to turn off printer auto-updates to avoid compatibility issues. Overall, this is a reliable and affordable choice for users who print frequently and need a balance of quality and cost. Coming in at number 3, we have the HP 952 printhead from Capers. This premium product is designed for users who prioritize print quality and performance above all else. Made from high-quality ABS material, the printhead is wear-resistant and capable of delivering exceptional longevity, with a page yield of up to 12,000 pages. Its upgraded chip technology ensures seamless ink recognition and smooth printing with vivid, sharp output. Installation is remarkably simple, requiring no additional tools or complicated steps. The printhead supports a wide range of HP OfficeJet Pro printers, making it a versatile option for advanced users. The build quality feels superior, and the bright, crisp prints it produces are perfect for professional documents and high-resolution photos. However, this level of quality comes at a cost. The price point is significantly higher than other options, and some users have noted that it doesn't include starter cartridges, which may add to the overall expense. If you're searching for top-tier performance and reliability, the Capers HP 952 printhead is worth the investment, but it's best suited for heavy-duty users who need consistent, high-quality output. At number 2, we have the HP 952 Cyan, Magenta, Yellow ink cartridges 3-pack. As an OEM product, these cartridges are engineered specifically for HP printers, delivering consistent reliability and quality every time. With a yield of approximately 630 pages per color, this 3-pack is ideal for users who print regularly but don't require XL cartridge volumes. The cartridges are made using 88% recycled plastic, making them a more sustainable choice. HP Instant Ink compatibility ensures you can save up to 50% on ink costs and never run out unexpectedly. The print quality is outstanding, with vibrant colors and sharp details that make it perfect for both everyday documents and professional-grade projects. The primary downside here is the price, as it's one of the more expensive options in terms of cost per page. Additionally, users who print in large volumes may find the lower page yield less convenient. Overall, this is a solid option for those who value premium quality and reliability over budget considerations. Finally, at the top spot, number 1, we have the HP 952 XL Black High Yield Ink Cartridge. This OEM cartridge offers a page yield of 2,000 pages, making it perfect for high-volume printing without compromising quality. The water-based ink formula produces crisp, sharp text and deep black tones, ideal for professional documents and reports. The cartridge is designed to fit seamlessly with a range of HP OfficeJet Pro printers, including the popular 8720 and 8740 models. It's also eligible for HP Instant Ink, allowing users to save on costs and enjoy automatic refills. With 88% recycled materials used in its construction, this cartridge is both eco-friendly and reliable. The only notable downside is the price, which sits on the higher side compared to compatible alternatives. However, the reliability and superior print quality make it a worthwhile investment for users who prioritize performance and need consistent results. If you're looking for the best overall cartridge for your HP OfficeJet Pro 8720, the HP 952 XL Black High Yield Ink Cartridge is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.